So can you do property development without any experience? Yes, absolutely. Now, what do I mean by that? Because a lot of people say, well, I've never done it before. How can I go and do it? I don't have the skills. Well, how do you think property developers start? How do you think all those developers that you see out there are experienced and done it for 10, 15, 20 years? How did they start without any experience? We all start somewhere. We all have to learn, okay? But what skills do we need? Well, look, there's some skills, fundamental skills that you need to be a property developer. And being a property developer is about being the CEO, okay? It's about being the chief executive officer of a property development company. You're not out there actually laying the bricks. Surprise, surprise. You're not wiring the electrics. You're not plastering the walls. You're not doing the architectural drawings or the structural engineering calculations. You're not signing off all the contract details and sorting out all the terminology with the contractor under the JCT contract arrangements. You're not necessarily having to deal with some of the language with the bank surveyor. No, you have a team of professionals around you, okay, that would do this. So what skills do you need? You need management skills, okay? Fundamentally, you need management skills. You need to better manage the process. Have you got those? If you have, let's have a tick in the box. You need organizational skills. You need to be organized and get different people doing different things at different times to make things happen. Have you got those? Tick in the box. The third one, you need decision-making skills. Okay? You ever been in those environments, those meetings, those situations where someone says, so what do we do? And everyone's going, well, I don't know. It's difficult, isn't it? No one wants to make a decision. Have you got decision-making skills? Because you'll need them. You're going to be the CEO. You're going to be at the head of the table. And everyone will look at you, with advice. So people will tell you the pros and the cons of this and that. And then you've got to make that decision. And if it's wrong, you can backtrack and go down a different route. But have you got decision-making skills? If you have, tick in the box because you need those. And finally, the fourth one you need, and I think the most important, people skills. Are you good with people? Can you talk to people? Do you close up in a situation? When it gets a little bit difficult, do you want to run and hide? Or can you deal with it? Can you talk to people in pretty much any environment? Or could you actually get trained to do that? Could you come out your shell? Could you grow your confidence a bit more? Has your confidence grown over recent years with maybe changes in your job role that you've done, or maybe you've taken on a management position, or you started your own business, or you built your own portfolio? In which case, if you've done any of those things, your confidence in dealing with people has probably grown significantly. And people skills are fundamental because you've got to control lots of different people doing lots of different things. And sometimes just talking to people is enough to actually get people on side, to get them to do what you want to do, to encourage them to help solve problems that you've got, and for you to dive in and deal with problems head on. People skills are needed to back up your management, decision, and organizational skills. So if you've got those four skills, management, organization, decision, and people skills, you've got the skills to become a property developer. That's all you need. You don't need to have done it before. You got those? Tick, 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 tick. You can do this. Hopefully you like what we're doing here. Please, if you do like it, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.